everyone, I'm Kajal Mehra and today we are at Electronica, Productronica India 2025 at Bangalore, and I'm very delightful to introduce you to our today's spokespersons, Mr. Narayan Kumar. He's the Division Director for Panasonic Industry in India, and Yoshitaka Teraoka. He's the Executive Vice President for Panasonic. Hello, Narayan. Hi. I welcome you both to this Q&A session and to India as well, to this event as well. First of all, I would like you both to introduce yourself and your role in the Panasonic industry. So please.
Thank you, Kajal, for coming to the our booth. So I am Narayan Kumar. I head the industry business in India. Panasonic Industry is the domain company, so I head the overall India business.
Opportunity.
Yes.
My name is Yoshitaka Teraoka, in charge of the global marketing and Panasonic Industry Executive Vice President. I'm honored to be here. Thank you very much.
Okay, so moving ahead to the Q&A session. So my first question for today is that Panasonic Industries INDD is deeply aligned with India's Make in India. And how do you see your component solutions shaping India's industrial and automotive ecosystem in the next 3 to 5 years?
Yeah, I think that's a very pertinent question because for the last 10 years, the government of India is working on a lot of Make in India initiatives, and one critical part is of the manufacturing GDP to grow in India.
Yes.
As you are aware, we are in the B2B devices space, so all our devices go for making a lot of finished products. So we are largely in the 4 domains. One is automotive, one is the industrial, including like telecom infrastructure, smart meters, then we have a lot of battery solutions.
Okay.
Also devices for HVAC. So it's a very critical juncture where government and the overall ecosystem is trying to increase the manufacturing. Our devices are enabling that manufacturing to grow. So we have many customers in India, local customers which are purely India, but a lot of global customers also now coming to India who are setting up their manufacturing base. So we have a global relationship with them. So it will really help us to collaborate to grow the overall manufacturing space in India.
Okay. So my next question is that you have recently launched the ASQ D1 seal type sliding switches. So could you explain how this innovation addresses the current gaps in the industrial and automotive applications?
Okay, I'll take that. So we have a huge micro switches range. Micro switches are electromechanical product, mainly to detect the position. So we have a simple example could be that, for example, you have a car and you open the hood latch. So there is a detection that comes inside, whether it is closed or open. Likewise for your boot, tailgate. So we have variety of micro switches which are used for variety of applications, both 4-wheeler as well as 2-wheeler. Also applications for the industrial space. So this is a new launch which will further enhance the overall application in India.
Okay. So my next question is for you that data centers and AI servers are demanding high reliability.
Right.
How are Panasonic's polymer capacitors and high-frequency PCB laminates helping India build a robust digital infrastructure?
Exactly. That's a good point. The focusing areas.
Okay.
We can have a huge business like GAFA, for example. Then also actual business from the accelerator in Taipei, for example. They would like to expand the business in India as well. So we'd like to understand the value chain first.
Yes.
We'd like to do same type of business by using polymer capacitor, also I see the PCB material. Most exploring important areas. So we'd like to
Okay. So automotive is undergoing a massive transition in EVs and ADA solution. What role does Panasonic Industries electromechanical and passive components play in enabling safer and more efficient vehicles?
Definitely. Our portfolio is basically so connect areas, also automotive, e-mobility, sharing. These are focusing areas. So global point of view, marketing point of view, EV is kind of a struggle. US, Europe, even China is kind of very tough. But India is growing a lot. So the areas we like to expand the business as much as possible. ADAS point of view, especially for EV, we like to promote. So we have a bunch of devices for ECU box. So EEC works with like lots of passive products. So we like to promote ideas.
Okay. So, with over 3,000 plus customers in India, how is Panasonic blending global expertise with localized innovation to meet the unique needs of Indian OEMs?
Right, as I said before, so we have both the domestic OEMs as well as the global OEMs, and all the devices that we are also promoting in India are more or less, applicable for the global standards. Like Teraoka-san mentioned about automotive and also AI servers. So all those devices are already we are promoting and as a part of the whole value chain in like Taiwan, which is very good in the AI server, or the EV market in US. So similarly, we have the same set of devices which are we are interacting with all the OEMs, both automotive, as I said, industrial space, so that we, if you look at our vision, we call ourselves as your committed enabler. So our devices enable the whole value chain for manufacturing in all the ecosystem that we play in.
Okay, so looking ahead, and this is going to be my last question. So, what strategies area will Panasonic Industry prioritize in India to maintain leadership in advanced component technologies?
Okay, so we have a bunch of devices, as he also mentioned. So depending on the overall growth of the manufacturing ecosystem, so automotive, we have industrial, we have HVAC devices, we have also energy solutions. So depending on the growth of each segment, so we are prioritizing. So in terms of what devices are more applicable at this point in time. So for example, I can give, so we have a big smart meter government program running. So we have a lot of devices which are used for the making of the smart meter, including batteries, including capacitors. So depending on the segmental growth, we will enable our device system. So AI servers, we are very strong globally. But once the local manufacturing starts, then we will prioritize in terms of the polymer capacitor of the devices.
Okay. Thank you so much, Narayan, and thank you so much, Yoshitaka, for your time, for your valuable insights, and for answering my questions very well. And thank you so much for watching us.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.